Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Today in this video we will be learning how to change Snapchat streak emoji. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first step is to open your application Snapchat. Head over to your profile at the top left corner. Tap on the square icon. Scroll down and you'll get to see the option of customize emojis. Head over to it. It will lead you to this page where you'll get to change the emoji for the specific title. And as you're looking for on how to change Snapchat streak emoji, here you need to click on Snap Streak. Different emojis will be visible to you. From all of these emojis, you can choose any emoji that you prefer for your Snap Streak. So let me select this emoji for my Snap Streak. Tap on the emoji. Now go back and there you'll get to see that the Snap Streak emoji has been changed into the emoji that you have set. So this is it, and this was the tutorial video on how to change Snap Streak emoji. I hope you found this video useful. If it does, please make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.